जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि नक्शा जो है वो हमारी रोज़मर्रा ज़िंदगी में बहुत अहमियत रखता है। वो इस लिहाज से कि जब हम एक टीचर क्लास में जब भी और स्पेशली ज्योग्राफी के सब्जेक्ट में नक्शे की अहमियत से हम इनकार नहीं कर सकते। नक्शे की अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए ज़रूरी है कि इसमें वी हैव टू मेजर कैटेगरीज ऑफ मैप्स वेयर वी कैन ड्रॉ द टाइप्स. Number one, the maps are drawn on the basis of scale, and number two, the maps are discussed on the basis of purpose. So here we have the maps on the basis of scales. The types are there. We start from small scales to large scale. In small scale maps, the scale is from 1 centimeter to 940 kilometer, or 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 940 kilometer on the ground. So we can say here 1 over 94 million, so is called the RF of the map. So it's a small scale map. So here you can draw or map the whole of the country, which is the USA. Now again, the other category of map according to scale is the 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 370 kilometer. So here you can draw the southeastern part of USA. So it's smaller area than USA. Now third category actually is map which has a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 160 kilometer. So we are moving toward large scale maps. So here we have a state of USA. So the last category of the map, which is a large scale map, the scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 13 kilometer. So here the city of Atlanta actually is on the map. So the city map is drawn on a scale which is called the large scale. So maps are usually drawn to show different detail on a large or small scales. Now according to scale, the large scale map is the cadastral map. So are drawn to register the ownership of property by demarcating the boundaries of fields and buildings. The term cadastral is derived from the French word means register of territorial property. These maps are specially prepared by the government to realize revenue and tax. The village map as well as city settlement map of our country may be cited as example, which are drawn on a very large scale from 16 inches to the mile or 15 centimeter to 1 kilometer, so as to fill in all possible details. So here you have the parcels level map. So all the streets are actually on the map, and the major fields, the cultivated land, here the cultivated land, or you can draw the map of the fields here, and the map of each and every parcel. So here you have the parcels which belongs to the built up area. So for the purpose of revenue collection or tax collection, these cadastral maps are very important. Number two, which is also the large scale map, is the topographical map. So on a large scale, maps based on precise surveys. They show general surface feature in detail, both natural landscape and cultural landscape. The topographical maps are also prepared on a fairly large scale, being based on precise surveys. Unlike cadastral maps, the scale of topographical maps varies in general from 1 inch to 1 mile or to 1 over 4 inch to the mile. They do not show boundaries of the individual plots or building. It is rather the principal topographical forms like relief and drainage, ant forest, village and town, and means of communication. It is for this reason that for geographers these are the most valuable tool. This is a topographical map of an area, so it not only shows the natural features, like this is actually the contour and all are the contours, so gives the height of the area. So this is actually 900 feet above sea level. Now here you have the settlements, so all the settlements are along the roads, so is not only giving the natural but as well as human features. Next category is the wall map. Small scale maps used in the classroom. The world as a whole or in hemisphere is represented on the wall map. These are prepared for continent or countries, large or small according to their need. So the wall map has information regarding the continents and oceans. So here you will see the major continents of the planet, the Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, South America and North America. So these maps are used in the classroom, are generally drawn for classrooms. In these maps, the scale is smaller than that of the topographical maps but larger than the atlas maps. Now the last category of the maps which are on the basis of scale is called the atlas map. It is a very small scale map, give a more or less highly generalized picture regarding the physical, climatic and economic condition of different regions of the earth.